last in line, name never known. Weakest in the room, walking alone. They saw limits, I saw a test. Every fall curve steel in my chest. No light above me, no hand to hold. I learned to rise in the dark alone. Level by level, I break my chains. From blood and silence, I build my reign. No chosen fate, no guiding hand. I forge my crown where I stand. From zero to power, from fear to flame. I didn't wait, I earned my name. Every night I pay the cost. Dreams burn, innocence lost. Pain became my sharpened blade. Every scar a debt I pay. They never noticed the calm in my eyes. That's how you know a storm will rise. Level by level, I break my chains. From blood and silence, I build my reign. No chosen fate, no guiding hand. I forge my crown where I stand. From zero to power, from fear to flame. I didn't wait, I earned my name. If this is hell, I'll master the ground. Ooh, if this is war, I won't back down. No mercy left for who I was. I rise alone because I must. They called me weak, so I became unstoppable. Level by level, watch me ascend. I'm not the same. I transcend from the shadow into command. I became the threat they can't withstand. This is my path, my blood, my truth. I leveled up. Now I choose. Started as nothing, now I remain. Not a survivor, but the one who changed the game.